coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got something groovy from Indonesia sent by Ferengi. Thank you, ma'am. This is BonCabe, Kobe mi BonCabe. Rasa Ramen Pedas. Level 30. Whoa. The next one up is level 50, which is called Max End, which generally means that's as hot as it's going to get. This goes for 3 to 4 minutes. I got munched up a little bit, but that's okay. It's just going to get used. So here's the part of the noodle block, and here's the other part of the noodle block. There we go. So we will set it for... There, 29 minutes. So how's everybody doing? I'm feeling nicely caffeinated at the moment. I need more caffeine. I really don't, but whatever. So there's a liquid, and then there's this. And this is BonCabe. BonCabe is kind of like a spicy concoction. People in Indonesia just love it. But you can get BonCabe and then you make fried chicken and you mix it into batter, I think is what they do. And then you have like super spicy fried chicken. Stuff like that. And Indonesians know a thing or two about spicy. But this one was bought in Australia. And I've been waiting to review this. I actually contacted the company. They sent me some samples a long time ago of their product, which was really good. And I was just thinking, hey, what if you sent me some of this Max End stuff and a pack of this stuff, and then I put this stuff with the Max End stuff and made like a video of doing a mukbang of like level 50 mi BonCabe. No reply. Well, I guess they want me to buy the Max End stuff. But they do have it on Amazon. If you're looking at this from the, what do you call it? The post on www.theramenraider.com, then I did, I believe, put a link to the Max End stuff. So, yeah. By the way, when you see like a product link for Amazon on the Ramen Raider, if you click on that and buy it, I get a little something, just so you know, and that really helps me out, so I appreciate it. But yeah, we got a minute and a half left on this. I'll show you what, I do have some BonCabe here. There it is. What level is this? Level 30 original. Yeah. But they've got ones that are like, oh, there's one that has like fish, one that, I don't know, there's different ones. I use this stuff on popcorn along with this McCormick Peruvian seasoning, a little bit of cumin, and some paprika. And then I use cooking spray on the popcorn. Hear me out. Once all that stuff's on there, and use the cooking spray, toss it a couple times, use a little bit more, toss it a couple times, it sticks to it. You just let it sit for a minute and it all sticks to it. It's nice. Still end up with a crap load at the bottom of the bowl, but it sticks to it. You get me? It sticks to it. Sticks. So yeah. I like things sticking to each other. I like it sticky. Alright, so we're about there. 5, 3, ding. This monitor, this is my regular phone, that's my old phone that you're watching me through. And I run a thing called Team Viewer, and it basically turns this into a monitor, but it's choppy and stuff, which is fine. I mean, it does exactly, I want to be able to just see what's going on. Helps with centering. Okay, here's the liquid. I will try it just with the liquid before I add the BonCabe. Come on, I want to get you all out of there. Pretty good. Alright, so we'll try it just with the liquid base, and then we'll add in the BonCabe. Smells almost peanut-like. Interesting. Looks nice. But a little bit of heat there. But now we got our BonCabe. This is a variety my children will not want to try. What? That's odd. Maybe the other stuff was the BonCabe. I swear that it said the silver packet was the BonCabe element. Let's give this a try. Honestly, I'm gonna say it could be spicier. Is it bulldog spicy? No. That surprises me. It's a nice heat level. Don't get me wrong. That's interesting stuff. But it's not nowhere near the heat that I expected from something from Indonesia. It's like, come on. Blow my brains out with this stuff, please. Alright. Since it is ramen, we're going to go with let me look at the image of this. That looks like chicken on it. I'm going to skip the pork. It might be chashu. I don't want to... Kind of like the same thing, you know. I wouldn't put what do you call it? I wouldn't put bacon on a variety that was made for the Israeli market. You get what I'm saying? So, yeah. But eggs are allowed. And these eggs are allowed. Look at that. Good job, eggs. Eggs with wonderful behavior today, folks. They get a gold star. And then where did I put that? There it is. It did show Noritamaki. I'll add some noritamaki right about there. Scallion. Some mung bean sprout. Some seeds. And I think it would be okay to add some more of this level 30 right about there. Wow. As well as some crushed red pepper. I think we're going to go full boat. That is what we do here. And there we are. Rotato, do your stuff. Brad. Well, thanks again to Ferengi for sending this stuff over. It's good. It's just not as hot as I really expected for something from Indonesia, but that's cool. It's good stuff. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really benefits me and you. You know, might not know that, but it does. Have a good one. Bye-bye.